What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day of our track day. We don't have a lot of time here, so I'm gonna keep this intro short. We got our buddy Steven with us today. He's coming with us to track. We're finally going to track our high mileage 250,000 mile M3 post head gasket job. Will she blow up? I don't know. Hopefully not. It should be a lot of fun. Let's get started.
By the way, if you see any
Track control off.
No, leave it on. Leave it on.
Really? In this car?
Yeah, leave it on.
Okay.
If it gets in the way, then we'll turn it off.
Okay. The traction control in this car is very annoying.
Oh, I had a car like this, so I know.
Okay. All right. You tell me.
Okay, so you can pick up some speed here.
Okay.
Be safe. You can pick up some speed.
Yeah. Okay.
Be in the middle. Do not be to the right. Be right in the middle. Right here.
Right in the middle?
Yes. Now.
Yeah, that's the limitation of the tire. Yes. Coming tight right here and go out.
That's good. Brake. Turn in. Look. Turn in. Turn in. You got the line. Stay tight on this. Stay tight. Stay tight. 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 Really good. Right now.
Those brakes are still a little
That's
cold.
throttle.
Okay, so we just went out for our first session. I'm gonna give you guys a brief rundown as to what's going on today. First of all,
I am heated.
dude, his brakes are cooked. We replaced everything on his E46 brakes, and they still don't work. Yeah, he's mad. So that sucks. But my car lived the first session. It was a little sloppy, but I got a C+. We're getting instructions today. We've done 2 track days, and we did okay for somebody who doesn't track experience. You know, we played a lot of video games as a kid, so conceptually, I understand the racetrack. I need to get a feel for it, and I'm now realizing I need a harness because I'm sliding around in these seats, and the steering wheel position's a little weird. I now understand why people do aftermarket steering wheels in this car and get seats. I love the way the stock ones look when you're on track. It's not hopeless, but you gotta fight it a little bit. We do have a check engine light on for a cam sensor, which I think is either the cam sensor is new Gen BMW, or I say new. It's 2 years old. It was working before the head gasket job. The check engine light has been on ever since the head gasket job, so I'm inclined to think it was something that we touched during it. So I'm either thinking I had a bad rebuilt Vanos solenoid from Dr. Vanos or a bad crank sensor, but I'm leaning Vanos solenoid. But outside of that, car's staying at temp. Everything feels great. The tires are really soft. I don't want to say I regret the Sport All Seasons for the track, but I sort of do, but it was good. I now understand the limitation of the tire, and today we're just going to work on, it'll limit my speed so we can work on throttle control, steering input, and getting my line correct, and just being a good driver, honestly. So it's kind of a blessing in disguise that I have the limitation of these tires. We're just gonna have fun and see where we go. Very casual, and I will upload later more videos of just the track sessions because I like rewatching those, and I know some of you guys might learn something, get some enjoyment out of it. We'll just, I don't know, we're just gonna play it by ear.
See, on this here, you don't want your car to be too close. You want to bring it in here. Stay wide there and bring it in here.
Yeah. down once we're past that S, and then take the...
Right, you slow down for the S.
Right.
And then this one here, I stay up wide here. You go down, you're not all the way against it, but then
we're on our lunch right now, and we just got the car back on the ground. We're fixing the damage. So the instructor was driving. We took it a little too hard in turn 1, and we went off. So driver's side of the car slid, and we kind of went up onto like this, I don't know what you call it, this hill. So we damaged some plastic under here. The brake duct got damaged, fog light got damaged, and then this, it's all, well, it's all like zip tied now, so it's just kind of hanging out in there, however it's hanging out. But mechanically the car's okay, so we're still good to go back out. We'll just have to get it fixed. So new front bumper cover and some plastic. But then over here, I noticed this dent on the quarter panel. Yeah, the instructor said he would cover for the damage, so I'm not too concerned about it. And then under here, we broke the clip, but again, all easy stuff to replace. The brake duct for the front was like, part of it was like here, and like I was grabbing it out. It was like 30, 40 mile an hour kind of impact we got. The problem was it wasn't just off track, it was up, and it also went like sideways. So the whole car just like, it didn't go airborne, but it got like some lift, and it was sliding completely, 4-wheel slide. Putting that aside, the car does seem to be running really well, no overheating, nothing, and it will get fixed. I'll split it right there. So that's okay. We have like another 15 minutes of lunch, and then after lunch, we're gonna go back out there and hopefully improve. We did okay the first session. I'm feeling confident that we're gonna improve and have an overall better experience. By the end of the day, I would like to be a competent driver. That's the goal.
and then you're doing better on the downhill. You get the concept there. You want to take off your speed, but then you want to trail brake on the way down, so you got your wheel jammed in, so then you can turn and accelerate.
At which point should I turn at that turn, the downhill?
You want to start turning right as you get over the top.
Oh, so as soon as I get over the top.
You're going to be cresting the top and going down a little bit. Then you want to start turning in combination of trail braking. So we want to keep the brake on, not on.
So you just lift up off the brake a little bit. So you're keeping pressure on the pedal still, but not as much pressure as you had.
Right. Basically, what you're doing is the braking is to put the front of the car down into the ground so you can make that corner.
All right, this is session 3. We have now done a couple of sessions with instruction. We're going to be able to figure out line and set a decent time. So we'll see. I learned a lot today. I thought I knew a lot about tracking. Not a ton. I knew I had a lot to learn, but I realized I have a lot more to learn than I thought. off the brake, but stay on the brake, you stay on, but you lift off just slightly so that the front end still stays down and your front tires have grip. And then you power through. Now trail braking, what a novel concept. That is gonna like transform the way I drive on the car. I don't understand that. I never really understood it. That's how we get. That's it, everybody. We finished our second track day ever and our E36 M3 post head gasket job. 256,000 mile E36 M3 survived 7 track sessions. I did 5, instructor did 1, other friend Steven did 1. Car survived. There's tons of coolant everywhere, although honestly I feel like a lot of that's residual from when the radiator blew up. I don't think that's all new. Awesome track day. I'm so much more confident in this car now. I want the 200 treadwear tires. I'm looking now for a set of contours, and then we were gonna get this front end fixed. Maybe this will be another video. We'll buy a front bumper cover, get some trim pieces, fog lights. Maybe it'll be better than before, and then get the quarter panel sorted out. You know what? Everyone was okay, so that's what I'm happy about. We still had a ton of fun. The car survived. Our head gasket job was an overall positive. We'll fix some little odds and ends in future videos. If you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button. And we'll hit the smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new. There, that's the order. Comment down below. What do you guys think? You want to see more track content with this car? I really enjoy doing the track day, especially as I'm learning. I'd like to get into doing more track content as I become a better driver. But well, that's it, everybody. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go home. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.
Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been walking through this stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like
What's up, brother?